Remember the good old days when you could actually mine Ethereum? Today, we're taking a nostalgic trip back to the era of Claymore Miner. First, you'll need to find a safe and reputable download source for Claymore Miner. Be extremely careful, as outdated software like this can be bundled with malware once downloaded. Extract the archive to a dedicated folder. Next, locate the pool's text or a similarly named configuration file. Open it with a text editor. This is where you'll input your mining pool information, including the pool address, port, and your wallet address. It is important to find an outdated mining pool, as Ethereum is now a proof-of-stake blockchain. Now, modify the start bat or similar batch file here. You'll add command line arguments to configure the miner. These arguments include specifying your pool, wallet, worker name, and other parameters. Research optimal settings for your specific hardware for maximum hash rate. After launching the miner, closely monitor your GPU temperatures. Overheating can damage your hardware. Adjust fan speeds or reduce overclocking if temperatures are too high. But here's the kicker. Since Ethereum transitioned to proof-of-stake, mining is no longer possible, so all this work is purely for educational purposes or a fun retro project. Enjoy the nostalgia.